Are you aiming to implement two-factor authentication? If so, then you have come to the right place. Imagine waking up to find your bank account drained or your social media hijacked. Scary, right? But what if I told you there's a simple yet powerful way to protect your online life? Welcome to our guide on two-factor authentication, where we'll show you how this easy step can make your digital world a fortress. First, go to your email provider's site or app. Enter your email or username carefully, making sure it's an address you check often. Double-check for any typos to ensure a smooth setup for two-factor authentication. Enter your password. After accessing Gmail, click on your user avatar located at the top right corner to expand the up-down menu. From there, click on the Manage Your Google Account option. Next, go to Security, scroll down to How You Sign into Google and click on Two-Step Verification. Follow the prompts to get started with securing your account. You'll be asked to verify your identity with a second step, like a text message code or an authentication app. It's quick and easy, and it significantly enhances your account's security. Next, select Add Phone Number to set up two-step verification. This adds an extra layer of security by sending a code to your phone whenever you sign in. Add your phone number, then click Next. Next is Toner verification code number, then click Verify. There you go, your account is now successfully protected with two-step verification. You are now protected with two-step verification. Process complete. Thanks for watching.